A parrot
It drops
is
the seed.
eating
And mommy drops every seed that comes.
loquat, right?
Yeah, it drops. Oh,
Poor baby, it's
A parrot is eating
if
a
you want, you
loquat.
can come on me.
So
He's like,
cute.
I never saw you guys before. Hello. And he's like, wait, hold on. First, I need to eat. Mommy,
That's a
I never
beautiful
saw that. I'm trying
parrot.
to let him go on me.
It's a beautiful parrot.
He's a beautiful parrot. Oh wait, guys, look, he's going a little higher. Oh, look, he's standing on leaves. He's eating.
Be careful, parrot.
You see, he's like, don't worry, I'll be careful. It's like, Mommy, can you send it to Daddy?
Yeah.
It is super beautiful. I never went outside and saw them outside. Mommy, I only stayed inside. Mommy, did that ever happen to you before?
No.
Yeah, me too. Me three. Oh, I dropped the seed. He dropped seeds. He's bending down. And Mommy, do you like seeing parrots eat?
Yeah, I love it.
On our tree.
I love
Oh,
it.
okay, yeah. Parrots to eat on our tree because they need to eat.
Yeah. Okay, bye bye, parrot.